What's going on, YouTube? Anthony here. Go ahead and eat. I bought a Eheim 2180 a while back. Actually, this was right when they came out. Let's see if I can't find. Oh, I guess it's on the back side of this. Anyways, I think it was 4 or 5 months after the 3-year warranty that came with these things. You guys know the 2180, right? It's this really massively huge filter. It's huge. Here's a standard 20-ounce CO2 bottle next to it. This is a freaking monster of a filter. I've done some videos in the past on them, but it's been a really long time, so nobody's seen them in a really long time. Anyways, it failed on me. It started to fail on me, and I was trying to figure out why. It wouldn't start at all, so I started taking it apart, which, by the way, is a little bit of a chore. Look for hidden screws. The ones in the bottom, and then there's 2 hidden on the top. Anyway, so I take it apart, and this motherboard here is down. You can see, let's see if we can get close enough here so you can see this groove here. And then over here. And this goes down into here. And this cover right here goes up and onto here like that, basically. And then you've got that top over there, which just sits on top of this and has the digital display comes out of it. Well, it's supposed to be watertight, and I found now this one's probably going to be pretty difficult to pick up, but let's see if I can get a little focus up in here. I'm not getting any focus. Sorry, my kids, it's Saturday morning, my kids are up, they're eating breakfast. Oh, there we go. See on the left-hand side of the screen, if I can hold still, you see the corrosion and the breaking down of the rubber seal in the center of the left-hand side. I'm a little bit shaky, but it's right over here. That's the rubber seal. See it? That's what's allowed a whole bunch of water into this. We've got a motherboard up top here, or not a motherboard, a circuit board up top here. We've got a circuit board down here. You can see rust. Just a whole bunch of rust. Looks like there's a wire, right here that has come out. Oh, come on, just eat your oatmeal, Bubby. Can you get your brother a spoon? He dropped his. Sorry about that. It's all part of being a dad. Look, morning baby. Morning baby. Alright, anyways, give the kids a little bit of time here. They're always patient and quiet while I'm doing my videos, which is nice, but can't expect it first thing in the morning when they're all tired like that. Anyway, so we've got a fair amount of water in here, as you can see. It wasn't just like a little drip. This over here is all rusted. You know, you can tell by this right here and by this seal around here that it's supposed to be watertight, and it's not. I don't know if this is a common problem. I have heard a lot of, just doing some reading online, I've seen a lot of posts where people say, the motor just died. And, you know, I never see what the resolution is or what the problem is, or even if those are the same problems as this. But since I was able to find no comprehensive spelt out information on this is the 2180, which is the one with the heating element, and they do have a little bit of a reputation for those heating elements going out, but the filter itself usually still works. Well, I have not had that issue. The heating element worked up until the digital display stopped working, and it stopped pumping water. Anyways, so that's a problem that I have found with the 2180. I'm going to tag this up with like every possible thing in 2180 and Eheim and broken and how to and whatever I can, so that maybe it'll help somebody to find a piece of information when they're looking for it. anyways, whatever. I'll do updates on the 500 gallon and some of my planted tanks in time. You can see right now the lights are off. Fish are out, still banging around, having a good time. Planted tank, green water. Figured out something on the right-hand tank over here. Has a white background. Left-hand tank has a black background. You can see its window right there. That tank right there never has green water problems. It never has had a green water problem. This one does. So I'm assuming that white background's allowing some light through that this one's not getting. So I'm going to replace that with a black background, do a couple big water changes, and see what we get from there. Anyways, so 2180, some problems. I don't know that this is repairable. I don't know if I can find a friend or find somebody who knows how to do this kind of work. Maybe find a TV repair company or VCR repair company. I think there's still a couple of those out there. And I don't know, see if there's something they can't do about it. It's not, you know, like I said, it broke about 4 days after the warranty. 4 days, 4 months after the warranty expired. So the filter's 3 years and, 4 or 5 months old at this point. And so it's not going to be something that Eheim will repair. And I've heard, that sometimes their customer service is a little shoddy anyways. But just like I said, I couldn't find any information when I was looking for this problem. Evidently, there was a lot of people looking for this problem, and I came to a lot of dead-end threads on it. So I'm just going to go and post this in a couple threads. And, I've got enough followers here if you guys share it. And I'm going to tag it up all over the place with Broken Eheim. So hopefully we get some good results from this, and people will be able to come to a conclusion if they have the same problem in the future. I want to thank everybody for watching it, and, we'll see you next time.